Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a kale risotto with a baked salmon. So the first thing we're going to do is get our salmon into our preheated 375-degree oven. We have a little bit of garlic powder here that we're going to season the top with. I've already got a little bit of oil on our salmon. Our baking sheet is oiled so nothing sticks. Nice garlicky flavor. Our salmon. We've also got a little bit lemon juice. Just going to kind of pour some over each one. We also have some lemon slices here. We're going to put on. We're going to pop these into the oven until this flakes easily with a fork. Alright, now we're ready to begin our risotto. So in this pot over here we've got about 6 cups of chicken stock that is just slightly simmering. Got our ladle ready for our risotto. And a lot of people are intimidated by risotto, but there really is no need to be. We're going to show you that it's nice, quick, and easy. So we've got garlic and onion here that we're going to saute. Now once these become translucent, then you can start to add in your rice or your risotto. You add your risotto in, and you have to ensure that it gets coated in the oil that is in this pan, every grain. You really want to move it around to make sure. If you have to add a little bit more oil, that's okay. And make sure that every granule is coated. You just want to lightly kind of toast it, and then you begin adding a ladle at a time of your stock. You let your risotto soak it up. Once it soaks it up, you add another ladle until you get the consistency that you need, constantly stirring, incorporating air into it, and that will make a nice creamy risotto. Okay, we're going to begin adding a cup. The recipe calls for 2 cups, so there we go. Make sure every bit gets coated in the oil. Alright, so now we're ready to begin adding our stock, 1 ladle at a time. Okay, so once you can see that your rice and your risotto here has soaked up the liquid, add another ladle. You really want to kind of keep it moving, keep air incorporating into it. And we're doing a much lighter risotto. If we were in Italy, we'd have a ton of butter in this. Right now, to cream it out, you might add some cream. You may, to this recipe, add just a little bit of milk. A splash wouldn't hurt, especially if you're using something like soy milk or really low fat milk. Just kind of help it get that creamy quality that you're looking for. Risotto is always a nice, creamy substance, and it flows really well. So, like I said, just want to keep it moving around. Another ladle. said, you really just kind of want to keep it moving, shaking the pan, giving it a stir. Just helps incorporate air. Makes it nice and light. Okay, gonna add another ladle. You'll see that it just keeps soaking up your cooking liquid. If you were making this just for the adults, you could add a little bit of white wine. Don't have to add that, but if I were just making it for myself, I may add a little bit. And just while I'm on the topic of cooking with wine, if you ever are cooking with wine, just make sure it's a wine that you would drink. Don't ever cook with something that you wouldn't drink yourself. You will not like the result. See how nice and creamy this is becoming. And we also have some Parmesan cheese that's going to get added in at the very last minute. Pull our salmon out and the rest. So, you can see here, it's nice and creamy, and at this point it would be basically done, but we're going to add Parmesan cheese and our steamed greens. Got some arugula. We're going to throw in fresh here. Hand tear these leaves up a little bit. Got my heat all the way down on low now. Parmesan cheese in. Just want to combine. Now, if you prefer it to be a little bit looser, just add a little bit more stock. Very touch and go, so if it pulls up a little too tight for your liking, you can add more stock, or if you like it tight like this, that's fine. Everybody kind of has a different preference when it comes to risotto, so I'll leave that up to you. It's fine either way. Don't ever let anybody tell you different, however you like it. So I am going to finish it with a touch more stock. I like mine a little bit looser than this. Alright, so we'll plate this up. We'll show you the finished product here in just a couple of minutes.